Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can train your own LLMs in just under 10 lines of code. But let's look at 9 reasons why you want to train your own LLM. First is data privacy. Stays inside your own premises and no third-party data breaches. Ownership. Your engineering team builds it and no recurring cost. Better performance. You can tune your own models. You can stop hallucination of your models. Flexibility. You can control the LLM providers. Choice over open source LLMs, and you can adopt any open source LLMs to fine-tune your own model. Cost. Again, it depends on the cost and you can find your own cost. It is pretty cheap when you fine-tune. Content control. Stop inappropriate content, or if you want inappropriate content, you can put in uncensored thing as well. You can control your bias. Now, having said that, let's start up the terminal and see the code. But this is the GitHub repo of Lamini, and you know Lamini is a leading enterprise LLM platform for fine-tuning, and it makes us very easy for the developers to fine-tune your own models. We'll go through one examples in particular, and if you liked this Lamini, you can try it for yourself. So let's get started. This is the GitHub repo. You can have a look. I will attach a link. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code Editor. So here I am going to open up a new folder. I'm gonna start a new folder, project 158 Lamini new, because I have already tested this out. So select folder here. Next, we are going to create a virtual environment very quickly. Let's create a virtual environment here. It is creating a virtual environment. Let's create an app here, app.py. Sorry, we have too many p's here. So app.py. And here, when this virtual environment is being created, I am just going to go ahead and copy this code for us to get started. We have started up a virtual environment. Not started up technically, but we go to activate here and run this. Then it would start. Okay, we are inside a virtual environment now. Now cd dot dot and cd dot. We are inside the main folder now. So we close this bat and now we open the app .py. Now we can see this from Llama. We import LLM engine. We need to import pip install Lamini or Lamini, and we need to get this installed. Next, here if you can see LLM is equal to LLM engine, ID marketing, model name is this. We are using one of the free models that they provided, and config production key. So we need this key as well. So how to generate the key? We need to create an account with Lamini. We need the API keys actually. So enterprise solution. Lamini is the platform, LLM platform for enterprise and developers to build customized private models, easier, faster, higher performance than any other LLM. So we go to sign in, and after we signed in with promptengineer48@gmail.com, we need to go to accounts, and then we can see this tokens. So you can create a new token as well. So it will appear here. So copy this token and put it here. Okay. So this is still installing. Okay, the installation is done for Llama. Now what I need you to do is just minimize this. Let's make some space here. Let's go in the style of Jupyter notebooks, because then it will be easier for me to explain. So I'm going to select this from Llama import LLM engine, then press shift enter. So when you press shift enter, it opens up an interactive kernel. So running cells with .venv requires ipy kernel package. Just install the package, and in this way it will be easier for us to have a look at the code and see the results step by step. So let it install, And guys, comment me on what topics would you like to see some videos from me. I am planning, what I have on my pipeline is a video on Docker, a video on extensive fine-tuning of large language models using local GPT or local LLMs for MemGPT, and so many more. So please tell what other projects do you want me to make a video on. So this is done. This is sticks for Llama import LLMs. It is done. Next we are going to run this. Select this and shift enter. So this is done. So let me skip this part, and you can see that here we need some data for fine-tuning. So we have a base model, and the name of the model is this one, this line. So from Llama we import QA. Okay, from Llama we import QA model. This is a question answer model, and we load up the model. Shift enter. So this model is loaded up in this model. Now in this model we want to load question answers. So this is a method, model.load question answer, and we need to put some data. So the data is in the form of question answer pairs. So this is the data. You can see one of the examples. So we have a list, and inside the list we have this dictionary. So question is, what are the different types of documents available in the repository? Example, installation guide, and this is the answer is Lamini has documentation on getting started, authentication, question answer model, Python library, batching, error handling, and this is one answer. So this is one question answer. So this can be your own question answer pairs, or you can generate question answer pairs from ChatGPT and train your own model. So we have defined this function get example QA, and inside this function we have put data equal to this question answer pairs, and we return the data. So let me run this. If we select everything here and we say shift enter, so this is done. We have initiated this function. Next we are going to initiate this data get example QA. So we have the question answer pairs inside data now. Now next step, we are going to load up the data inside the model. So we're going to select this, or you can just put the cursor here and shift enter. So this model is loaded up. Now we want to train the model with the data, and then we are going to see the difference between the untrained model and the trained model. That is going to be interesting. But let's train the model. Shift enter. So the training job has been submitted. You can check the status of the job 4007 here. So you just click here. It will divert you to the page where the training is going on. And as you can see, all the parameters, hyperparameters, and all the steps have been managed by Lamini. It's very easy for us to get started. So you can see this in process here. The training is in process. Now I would like to not waste your time, so I have already run this once because I've been testing this out. So let me show you the model output there. So once you say model train, then what you're going to see is, let me make some space here. In the model train, you can see this one, and once the model training is completed, you can see the status as completed. Now you can go to the job status 4006. Let me show you. This is the 4006 job, and if you do this model.evaluate, you can see the job ID here and the evaluation results, the model output, evaluation results, the outputs, and the model output. So let me show you in a better interface. You can see the when you print the model.evaluation, you can see the evaluation results. So let me make this clear. So what you can see is that after evaluation results, we see the output of the base model here. So this is the question: can a banana peel really make someone slip and fall? In the base model, I'm not sure I'm the only one who thinks that banana peels are a good idea. I've been reading about the dangers of banana peels, and I'm thinking about how I would like to avoid them. I'm thinking about how I would like to avoid them because I'm not sure. I'm the one who thinks that banana peels are a good idea. So this is just hallucination and random stuff. But once you fine tune your model, then this is the thing that you get. Yes, banana peels can make someone slip and fall. It can also make fall down. The banana peel is made of a tough fibrous material that can break easily. The banana peel can slip and fall if it gets wet, or if it gets wet and cold. The banana peel can also slip and fall if it gets wet and cold. Okay, little better, but this is how you fine tune. And the other model that we have done, this is also completed here. So let me again head back over to the new model. Which one? This one is the new model. So we have the training completed. So once you have training completed, you can do this model.evaluate, and it runs the model.evaluation, and you can print out the model.evaluation here. Now you can just get a single answer. So answer equal to model.get answer, and this is your question: how can I add data to Lamini? So we just run this, and you can just print this as well. So it is printing the answer. Okay, this is the how can I add data to Lamini. So this is how you can add data to Lamini. So we have a very fine-tuned answer. So yeah, this is how you can fine-tune your own models. Let me check if I made the assumption correct. So is it under 10 lines? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yep, 10 lines. Yes, it's under 10 lines of code. So I am not mistaken. But yeah, how do you like this? Please test this out. Let me know if you face any issues, and let me know if you are interested in getting a more detailed video of fine-tuning. I think this will let you understand the concept of fine-tuning. You can visit the website of Lamini and get some more insights into the fine-tuning. But yeah, fine-tuning is very essential because for me, I want to train it on my own data, and I don't want to share my data with others. So that is the whole concern, and the cost is cheap. It's not like going for a pre-trained model. That's a huge model, and the cost involved are so much. But fine-tuning for specific pieces of data and specific use cases, that is something we can think of. So having said that, I think this brings to the end of the video. If you like other interesting contents on AutoGen, MemGPT, and other interesting contents, follow my channel. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you next time. I'm your host, Prompt Engineer. Bye bye, have a nice day.